Hey, and welcome to the video. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in this channel we look at everything cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin and all digital cash, and we also take a look into the news to see what's happening now. So if you haven't been on the channel before, please hit that like and subscribe button to make sure you follow along with our daily videos, and let's start it off. So looking at Bitcoin, BTC, this is a good day. We're climbing and we're getting up to those ultimate long-term highs that Bitcoin has not used to seeing. Currently, right now, on this Thursday morning, we're sitting at 5,700 USD for one Bitcoin. So again, market's coming back, and we are approaching that SegWit 2x as well as the Bitcoin Gold fork. So a lot of people hoping to maximize their gains by holding as much Bitcoin as they can. So let's take a look at the overall market. A lot of green happening here today. We've got Bitcoin up 9% today. Even Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash are both at 4% gains. Interestingly enough, with Bitcoin Cash, we're seeing a lot in the news, and that, of course, is influencing the price. So as the talk of the forks pending happen, and more people are talking about Bitcoin Cash and the potential it has, you're seeing a lot of people move into this market. And today, just about an hour ago, we've seen something on Bitcoin.com where Calvin Ayre has declared Bitcoin Cash as the only Bitcoin. Now, this goes hand in hand with what Roger Ver has been saying all along, that Bitcoin Cash is the truest to Satoshi's vision, meaning that it is the true Bitcoin. Now, additionally, there's been a lot of talk that what the ticker is going to be called. So Bitcoin also came out today with their recommendations that the SegWit coin be named SW1, with the SegWit 2 being named SW2, and also they're recommending that they get rid of the B altogether, calling the gold SegWit Gold now, not even calling it Bitcoin Gold. So they've taken the word Bitcoin completely out of it just to avoid complications and confusion, I would assume. But the question I have is what happens to BTC? Now let's jump over to my Twitter account here, and I've actually pulled a quote right from the article this morning with the recommendation. So let's take a look. Bitcoin Cash, the ticker symbol will be BCC. Now, there is some confusion there already because a lot of people are associating BCC with Bitcoin Cash, but others are associating BCH with Bitcoin Cash. So there's already a bit of confusion on other altcoins, but let's make this more complicated. So with the SegWit chain, which is currently running under BTC, that is SegWit 1. Now they are proposing that we take away the BTC entirely and change it to SW1 that would show the SegWit 1. Now, after the split, of course, this will be SegWit 2x, but they want to take the BTC away from that, which I'm surprised with, and they want to call it SW2. And again, they're taking finally the SegWit Gold. They're looking at taking the B away from it and calling it SWG. So they're really playing on the SegWit 1 and SegWit 2. But what frightens me, or it concerns me a bit, is that they're trying to, or it appears that Bitcoin.com is trying to get rid of that BTC ticker. They feel, from what I can see, that Bitcoin is more or less dead, and that they are hoping to show that the Bitcoin, the original vision of Satoshi Nakamoto, is gone. So let's move on. This will all play out after the fork. But to me, whoever keeps that BTC, the money will flow there because it's gotten so confusing that majority of the market, in my opinion, is going to associate Bitcoin with that ticker, BTC. So whoever is able to get that name, to me, it is going to get the Bitcoin name. Now, the reason that they want to push out BTC is because they do feel that the name is gone. Now, this is a Steemit article written by Stan, one of the founders of, or I should say the creator of BitShares, as well as Steemit. Now, he is a wicked guy. He's got some cool articles going on here. This is one of my favorites. It's called Doc Brown's Multiple Bitcoin Theory. And he's got a lot of different articles that he's written. He's written another one called Bitcoin's Magnificent Seven. Now, this was written a few months ago, back when Bitcoin Cash came out. I'll leave a link below to check it out, but it's really interesting to see just exactly what indicates the real Bitcoin and how you can even call something Bitcoin. So definitely some value here to think about, should we be calling it Bitcoin? Because he's even claiming that when we had that Bitcoin fork or Bitcoin Cash fork, the original Bitcoin died because what we ended up with was two different versions of the original chain, or at least two altered versions. So it's up to the market to decide what they want to pursue. So I hope this gave some more clarity, but it is a very confusing time, and hopefully over the next few weeks, some more clarity will come into the market, and we can start to see some consensus, or at least a clearer picture of what's to come. So again, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and if this is your first time to the show, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.